Hey, it's Pete. Welcome back to my workshop. Today we're going to be using some Kaizen foam from FastCap to clean up one of these storage cases. Now I have tools stored in two different ways here in the shop. One part of our shop is set aside for production of some products that we manufacture. So those tools are arranged by the job that they do. In other words, everything to do a specific function. So a drawer might contain tweezers and wire cutters and a voltmeter and several different things in one drawer. Where here in the general purpose shop, I've got things stored by their functions. So it's one drawer of nothing but screwdrivers, one drawer of wrenches, things like that. And I use the Kaizen foam in the production area to specifically lay out those tools so we know exactly where they are so we can reach for them, and we also know when one is missing. So now that I have all of this organized space, I've been going through and cleaning it out. I've been separating some parts out, try to store like things together. I actually purchased a few additional bins to completely populate this rack. And that's been going well, but one of the things that occurred to me, all of this parts storage enables me to never have to store parts in my toolbox, and likewise I never store tools in my parts boxes. With one exception, I do currently store electrical tape with my electrical tools, my wire strippers, my wire cutters, needle nose pliers, things like that. Similarly, with the parts storage, there's a spot where I have one container that's full of nothing but ferrules, and it kind of makes sense that I keep the crimper with the ferrules because it's the only place I ever use them. But what I'd like to do is neaten that up a little bit. Because of the way the bins are in these cases, I just have to take a few out to make the crimping tool fit, but it's kind of loose and it just flops around in there, and it also allows the rest of the bins to move around. So what I want to do is put a piece of Kaizen foam in there. So I measure the case and find out I need a piece about 6 1/4 by 6 1/2. I have a piece of Kaizen foam left over from a previous project. Going to cut that to size. I'm going to trace the outline of the crimping tool, and then I'm going to cut on the inside of that line to ensure a tight fit. I'm going to dig in 2 or 3 layers deep here and pull out enough foam so that the tool can rest down inside. And that's it, job done. Well, that's it for today. Just a quick little project to straighten out some storage. If you like this sort of content, consider giving me a like or a subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.